Welcome to the Sync Your Teacher channel. Today we're going to be simplifying a radical. Today we have the square root of 80. Anytime we do a simplifying radical, we are going to create a factor tree. So we're going to start with any two numbers that multiply to whatever inside of our radical and make a tree down to all the prime numbers. So square root of 80, lots of options. I'm going to start with 8 and 10, and then I'm going to continue down the tree and break it down. So 8 can go down to 4 and 2. 10 to 5 and 2, and 4 even further to 2 and 2. So you want to go down all the way to prime numbers. When we look at our tree, we're going to look for partners in crime to then escape our radical jail. So you need a partner, so a pair of numbers that are the same to come out front of our radicals. So we have a pair of 2s and another pair of 2s. So out front, we're going to have 2 times 2. Remember, this is factors, so multiplication. Anyone without a partner, so no partner, is going to stay inside of our radical jail. Remember, we're only looking at the roots of our tree. So just the numbers at the bottom of our tree. So the 8, the 10, and the 4 we're not messing with. So in this case, our only leftover number without a partner is 5. So 5 is going to stay in our radical jail. Multiply those numbers out front. We get 2 times 2 is 4. Square root of 5, and that is our final answer. With simplifying radicals, we can check it in our calculators because remember, we're not changing what the value of our number is, we're changing what it looks like. So in our calculator, we're going to plug in a square root of 80. You're going to use your scientific calculator, find your square root button. Square root of 80, you're going to get a decimal that is about 8.94 and then some more decimals. And then you're going to plug in 4 times the square root of 5. And you want to get that same decimal approximation. And then we do, so 8.94 and so on. So since those are the same, that means we simplified correctly. This is an easy way to check. And I'm your Sync Your Teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.